Oh, my brother. How are you? I'm so happy you. İngiliz tilimda qo'yib qolaman. How are you? Do you cut? Good. Kim blush fasiltiga kim kelgan? I have empty too. Ha, bratlarga salom alaykum qilaylik. Qizlarga yordam berdilar. Uncha-muncha odam ochib bermaydi. Oh, my brother, how are you?
I'm doing all right, my guy.
How are you, my friend?
There you go, my guy.
Good?
Yeah. Save your toes from the water.
Yeah, I see. Why it's too cold here? I come from Arkansas.
We're just having like a well, it's because of the rain.
Ah, rain?
Yeah. Just wait until January. January, you'll
Yeah.
be freezing your balls off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
God safe.
Thank you, brother. I respect you. Bratishga zo'r bo'ladi. 2001-mi, 2002-yilman degan edi. Doctor. 36. Kattagina yukni qo'yamiz. Bronxon akalar doqqa qo'yishni sizlarga chiroyli qilib video qilib ko'rsataman. Uncha-muncha odam qo'ya olmaydi doqqa, ishoninglar. Uncha-muncha odam yepa olmaydi doqni. Faqat professional driverlar qo'ya oladi-da. Akalar 38 metrli trakni qo'yishni o'zi bo'lmaydi.